will help you to get more accommodation money they should carry for initial days. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Living a Little. Today in this video we're going to talk about step-by-step process for various few things you should do as a newcomer or a student in Ireland. When I initially moved as a student, I had no idea what PPSN is, how to apply for GNIB or IRP appointments, how to get a new SIM card, what are the groceries or the supermarkets I should be shopping around, and various few initial new stuff. In this video I'm going to share step-by-step details about all the things you should do as a newcomer in the country. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and you might not want to miss on various few bonus tips which I would be giving about each category. If you are new to my channel, I'm Untitled Chapter. I create informational as well as lifestyle vlogs about Ireland. I moved as an international student. I'm working as a software developer. Guys, I'm editing and recording this video for the second time, and I would really appreciate if you could share this video with all the students or your friends who are coming to Ireland. It really motivate me to make more videos. There are almost 10 to 12 things which I want you guys to know about, and how to apply for those stuff and the process to achieve these. So I'm going to divide this video into two parts. The first part would talk about, I'm going to drop all the links which I'm going to discuss in the video in the description below, so make sure you check out those links and apply to the things accordingly. And guys, if you haven't checked out my previous video, how Dublin airport looks like, what all terminals are, what are the immigration questions being asked, and how to reach to your accommodation from Dublin airport, make sure you check out that video as well. Now it's time to think about what's the first thing you do. The very first thing which I did when I moved to Ireland was to search for a SIM card. I had no idea which SIM card to buy and what are the options available. There are n number of SIM cards available in Ireland which cost from 10 to 20 euros, and you can compare all those SIM cards using this website called switchers.ie, website where you can see all the SIM card options available in Ireland. So we preferred prepay, and I'm choosing unlimited. In terms of network and connectivity, the best choosing options are EIR, 3 and Vodafone, but students usually prefer Gomo or 48. Gomo offers 15 euro per month, and 48 has a discount going on, like for initial 3 months you will pay 650 euros, and the following month after 3 months you will pay 13 euros. The problem with Gomo and 48 SIM card is you only get these SIM cards if you register online. There are no physical stores available for these SIM cards. You can get rewards if you use my 48 SIM card referral code, which is in the description below. So a lot of people would use Leica. It is the best preferred option if you want to make international call. You should not have great internet connectivity in Leica, but it is a very cheap option if you want to make international calls, or you could just do a top up of 5 euros. You could also get Leica SIM right across the airport once you leave. Next thing is, you might need to check out where your college is, how far your college is, and if you want to visit your college, initially you would not have travel options. To travel through public transport, you would require a leap card that you would pay 50% less than the normal adult charges on your public transport. So in order to apply for leap card, you could just apply it online. There are few steps you need to follow. Let's check out those. Apply for leap card. Let's check in. You enter your date of birth. I'll move forward. I'll just add random date of birth here. Student leave card. I'm not a robot. I have a proof. Yes, I have a full-time student level, and I have the proof. I'll upload a selfie when requested, and I have the payment card. So these are the few options. You just upload your photo, add all your personal details here, your college, your email address, your code where you're staying, then your college name and your student type, whether you're undergraduate or postgraduate, and then you just move next, and then you will be asked to make a payment. Once you apply to the leap card, visit the leap card office, which is in the Dublin city center right across the spire, and you just need to show your identity proof and they will issue a leap card for you. So initially you will pay 10 euros for leap card, 5 euros for the leap card charges, and 5 euros as a top up. So those 5 euros for leap card which you initially paid, when you return back the leap card, you would get those 5 euros back. And once you get a leap card, now you know you can travel to your college, you can explore the things around the city. So when you go to your college, when you have orientation day or your induction time, you would know you have to apply for various few documents. For example, you would get a college letter which states that you would complete the course within this college, and that was the time span for your college. The second college letter will be your address proof. You will just add your temporary or permanent address where you will receive a lot of your government identity proofs like GNIB or PPSN, which we are going to talk further, and your college identity card. That is also very useful for various other stuff just apart from your college, which we are going to talk further. The next comes is your bank account. To open a bank account, you could do it online. Most of the students, they prefer to use AIB bank account. So in order to apply it for bank account, you need couple of letters from your college, which we have discussed, and your identity proof. So download the AIB bank app and you could just click on apply online. You would go through few steps like upload your photo, identity proof, and you would just be able to apply in 3 to 4 steps, and you will receive the SIM card in few days on the address you mentioned as address proof within your bank letter. A lot of people have questions like money they should carry for initial days, like say 1 or 2 months, until they get their bank account sorted. So once you have a bank account, you could transfer all the money for your living expenses into your Irish bank account. So I would suggest for initial 1 or 2 months you could carry in to 1500 euros in a forex card, and once you sort your Irish bank account, you could get the money in your Irish bank. And the most difficult thing you need to sort on is your accommodation, and in order to visit accommodation, to travel a lot. So I hope you got your leap card by now, and if not, you could just get a journal leap card from various stores, Spar, Super Value. You could just get that leap card and recharge for various few days, and once you receive your student card, you could just return that. So these are my few suggestions in order to find accommodation. Firstly, there are 3 websites to look out for accommodation. First one is daft.ie, second one is rent.ie, and third is like various few student accommodations are available. If you just Google student accommodation in Ireland, you would be able to search, find which are the available options nearby your college. In order to apply for houses apart from student accommodation, while writing an email to a landlord, you need to show some references. Secondly, you need to show financial summary, like for the whole year you could pay your rents. You need to show your balance or any financial summary you have shown in your visa for your living expense in the country. It'll help you to get more accommodation leads. I've been taking a lot of one-on-one calls from past few days with the students who are planning to come to Ireland to either prepare for jobs or planning on their new journey in the country. I thought I would create a video about various few things you should do once you land in the country. So apart from what I discussed in the video, if you have some questions, if you want to talk to me, you can schedule a one-on-one call with me. The link is in the description below, and I can help you guide and talk about life in Ireland, how to look out for jobs. I also help people to prepare for resume. And the next thing is how to apply for part-time jobs. What are the part-time jobs available? How to apply for those jobs? I have a YouTube video on the same. Make sure you check out that. And I have recently posted a sample resume format. A lot of you has asked me, so I have posted the sample resume on my Instagram. So make sure you download the sample resume and check out the key points which you should be adding in your resume. So I hope you get a part-time soon. It takes initially 1 or 2 months to settle down and get a part-time job, but do not hurry or rush things. Give yourself some time. You'll be able to land a job soon. For anybody who has health-related issues, they need to register a GP, which is General Practitioner. So usually you could just reach out or email to your college and you could apply for GP. Or generally what people usually do is they just look out for nearest hospital. They just call up and register for GP. To register for GP, you would require a PPSN. So moving on, how to apply for PPSN, GNIB, or what IRP cards are, we're going to talk about next. Next option is where do you do your grocery shopping, how to purchase things. Everything would look expensive. Where should you buy stuff? Initially, I had no idea. A lot of people have confusion about GNIB or IRP card.